Welcome to this lovely ranch walkout on 4+ rolling acres close to the Pineview Golf Course. Open flowing floor plan, west cathedral ceiling and lots of light. Great room has skylights, dining area and sliders to the deck and grounds. Kitch west newer cabinets, granite counters, and stainless appliances, all included. Main FL primary west ensuite and 2 more good-sized BRS west adjoining full bath and MF laundry complete this floor. Lower level has huge fam room, west masonry fireplace, wet bar, half bath, den/exercise room, craft room, and lots of storage. The grounds are amazing with countless plantings, stream, and a walking trail. Newer 12 by 20 storage shed and another smaller shed for all your supplies. 2021 improvements including roof, ext painting, windows, gutters, and the deck/railing/patio. Newer HVAC, water heater, washer plus dryer. Brand new rust system, west water softener. 1-year home warranty offered with the home.